Good afternoon, all. I extend a warm welcome to everyone. Thank you for being here with us. And we are aware it's a very challenging time for everyone. So let's be positive and keep ourselves busy. So thank you again for being here with us for virtual robotics demo. So we have Akshay and Nikesh from Tinkercoders. Akshay and Nikesh will describe the program to all of you. So I presently hand over the session to Akshay and Nikesh. Akshay, over to you.
Yes, thank you. Yes, hello students. A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so today we are here for a robotics session, a virtual robotics session where we are going to discuss about how we can learn robotics. Okay, how we can learn to make our own robots, right? So yes, basically if you talk about robots, okay, so we all are very fascinated. There have been so great movies on robotics. Okay, so I hope everybody is able to type in the chat box. Is that feature open for the attendees? Yes, very nice. Okay, yes, so students, I hope I am audible to everyone. Yes, so today I'll be showing you a platform where we can learn about robotics. Okay, and we are going to come up with a summer camp where we will be learning about robotics, and also we will be see how we can learn 3D game development. All right, so I'll quickly share my screen and I'll show you how we can learn robotics. Before that, I would like to show you a small video. Okay, so I'll be presenting a small video on my screen on robotics. Yes.
Robots are now helping healthcare workers at Brigham and Women's.
Yes. So this is a really fantastic robot. Okay, the name of this robot is Spot from Boston Dynamics. Right. Now let's see how we can learn robotics. Okay, so now in this complete summer camp, okay, there are going to be many activities. You are going to learn many concepts, and also you are going to make some really cool projects, right? Okay, so basically when I talk about robots, right, so in robots there are three steps. Okay, the three steps are S, T, and A. Okay, so these are the three steps when we talk about robot. And just a second, let me share the screen completely. Okay, yes. So the first step is sense. Okay, we all have got the sensory organs, right? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and touch. That is feel. Okay, these are the five sensory organs that we human have got. Okay, similarly, robots are also able to sense their surroundings. Okay, now how they are able to sense their surroundings? With the help of sensors, right? You all must have seen that whenever you go to a mall, okay, or any particular building, sometimes the gate they open up automatically. As you go to the near of the door, the gates they open up automatically. Now how this is happening? Basically the doors, in the doors some sensors are fitted. Okay, now as soon as a person comes near the building or near the door, the sensor is able to sense that there is some human around me, and I have to open the door. And once the human goes away from the door, then again the sensor gives a signal and then it closes the door. So the first step is sense. The second step is think. Okay, right. So once, like, they are able to feel something, then the robots, they have to think what decision they have to make. Okay, so there are particular instructions, and based upon that they are able to take a decision. And the final step is act. Okay, so once they have taken a decision, then they act. Okay, they implement that decision, the output comes. Okay, so these are the three steps. Now this is a very interesting software. Okay, it is an online platform. You all will be able to have access to this. Okay, the name of this software is Tinkercad, right? Now in Tinkercad, you can see there are so many components that are available. You can see there is a LED bulb, push buttons, potentiometer. Now we all will be learning through with the help of activities. Okay, so there are going to be activities like how to glow an LED with the help of a switch, how to control the brightness of LED. Okay, so now this is an example of an activity where you can see I will be controlling the brightness of LED. Okay, so I have very simply made a circuit. Okay, I have used few components. As you can see, I have used a voltage regulator, I have used a potentiometer, I have used one LED bulb, there is a resistor, and then there is a battery. Right. Now, don't worry, students. I know, like, all these components, they might be a little bit of technical things to you. Okay. These are quite techy. You might not have come across all these components earlier. But yes, in the summer camp, we are going to explore all these things. What is an LED? What is a battery? What is a potentiometer? Okay, we all will be learning around all these components with the help of activities. Yes. Now, once we make the activity, I can simply start simulation. Okay. Once I have started simulation, now you can see my LED bulb is glowing. Can you all see this? Yes. Now I can control the brightness of this LED. How I can control the brightness? There is a slider. So if I just slide this, you can see my LED is now dimming. And if I do it like this, my LED is completely off. And again, if I rotate it towards the left, my LED will again glow. And you can see now it is again at the maximum level. Okay, now this is one such activity. Okay, now you can also make your own disco lights. Okay, how we can make our own disco lights? We can use an RGB LED. Okay, like, you can see there are so many options. On the left hand side, you can see, right hand side, there are so many components that are available. There is a DC motor. Okay, now if you want to learn how to make your own robotic car, right, definitely you will be needing a motor. Okay, with the help of motors you can connect, right, and you can put some sensors. Okay, you can program it, and then boom, your robotic car is ready. Okay, so yes, this is going to be virtual robotics, so we will be testing our robots on this virtual platform. Okay, now I'll show you one more project. You can see this is a servo motor. This is also again a kind of motor which can take steps, right? Now you can see over here, if I click on code button, this coding is written over here. Okay, now this is available both in the form of text as well as blocks. Okay, so for all the junior students who are new to coding, right, just a second. Yes, they will be learning with the help of the block based coding. You can see all the blocks are present over here. Okay, and all the students who are completely aware about coding, or if they have done, they will be able to learn it with the help of textual coding as well. Okay, so I'll again take this example and I'll show you the coding now. You can see this is a servo motor. Okay, there are three wires that are connected. One is the positive supply wire. Okay, one is the negative. In batteries also there are two terminals, positive and negative. So similarly, I am giving the positive with the help of red wire, negative with the help of black wire, and then there is one signal wire. Okay, again, I am repeating, students, these all the concepts you will be learning in the summer camp thoroughly. Okay, then if I click on the code button, now you can see over here. Okay, this is the code that has been made. Okay, and again, it is using the help of blocks, right? You can also learn it with the help of textual based programming. Can you see over here? This is the textual based programming. Now, again, if I click on start simulation, you can see very easily that this motor, it will start rotating, right? Okay. Now, let us suppose you want to make an automatic door. So what you can do is you can connect one end of the door with the help of the servo motor. As soon as the person comes near the door, it will just rotate and the gate will open, right? So there are many applications. Okay, there are many things. Now you are going to make projects like smart night light. Okay, okay, and you are going to use 7 segments, right? Like I'll show you. There are so many activities that you can make. Okay, with the help of 7 segments, I'll show you this particular activity. Now again, there are many components. Okay, and you will all be learning all these things. So you can see this is a 7 segment, right? Now where are all these 7 segment LEDs present? These are present in your smart watches. Okay, in your digital watches, right? You see that there are traffic lights over there. All these 7 segment LEDs are present. Okay, now you can glow any number between 0 to 9 on this particular thing. Okay, so let us suppose you want to make a counter, right? How you can make a counter? You will be using a 7 segment LED. Okay. Now these are the kind of projects that you will be working upon, right? Let me show you one more interesting project, okay, which is the obstacle avoidance. Okay, this is an obstacle avoidance robot, right? Now it uses an ultrasonic sensor. What does an ultrasonic sensor do? It detects the distance between the object and the sensor. Okay, so again, if I click on start simulation, you can see over here that you can see this blue ball over here. Now this blue ball is detecting the distance. Okay, now if I change the position of this blue ball, can you see the target distance? It is changing on the LCD screen. Again, this is one LCD module. Okay, now yes, you all will be learning such kind of things in the summer camp, right? Now as soon as I change the distance of this ball, you can see the distance on my LCD screen is changing. Now it is 137 centimeters. If I bring it just at the bottom over here, this shows you 304 centimeter. Okay, and if I again take it further, then now this is showing me 335 centimeter over here. Yes, this is the maximum limit. Now if I bring it again in the vicinity close to the sensor, now it is showing me 48 centimeter. Okay, students, so this is how we are going to learn robotics. Now what kind of projects we will be making? We will be making one automatic hand dryer project. Okay, you know, there are hand dryers that are used to dry the hands. You have seen them in the washrooms. Okay, once you wash your hands, right, then there are automatic hand dryers. You place your hand below the hand dryers and then it quickly dries up your hand. So we will be making a project like that. Okay, and then we will be also making projects like doorbell using button. You know, there are doorbells at your home. So if there is anyone at the door, they presses the doorbell and you get to know, right? Now how that happens, you will be learning circuits like that in this virtual robotics summer camp. Okay, so these are some really interesting things that you are going to learn in the virtual robotics summer camp. Okay, you will also learn to make your own robots. Now with the help of this project also, the ultrasonic sensor, we can learn to make an obstacle avoidance robot. Okay, what is an obstacle avoidance robot? Right, so let us suppose if, like, you know, you have made a robot, okay, and it is traveling, it is going, right? As soon as it reaches the wall, okay, if there is wall in front of the robot, then what will the robot do? Okay, the robot will just take a turn, right? I'll show you with the help of a video. Okay, just a second. Yes, let us see a video for the same. Now you will see over here.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically.
Hey, Now it's the show time. First turn on the power switch. Then open the Arduino Bluetooth controller app. Connect your robot with it. Then open voice command function and tap on the mic icon to send the voice commands. Move forward.
Now you see, as soon as like the person put the hand in front of the robot stopped.
Move backward. Move forward. Turn left. Turn right.
Now see students, both the things are there. The ultrasonic sensor is also there. And can you see this blue thing? This blue motor, this is the servo motor that I have shown you, right? Now this is how we will be learning to make our own robots. Okay, once you learn with the virtual platform, you can also take a kit, right? And you can implement all these robots, okay? And then you can make your own projects, right? Now this is all going to be in the robotics classes. Okay, apart from this, as I have already told you, you also will be learning about the 3D game development. Yes, now Nikesh sir will be showing you about 3D game development.
Thank you, Akshay sir. Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Nikesh Sharma. Sir, am I audible? Just want to confirm.
Yes.
All right. So, thank you all the panelists and all the students for joining the session. Before starting, about 3D design and games, I would like to answer a few questions. I would like to connect with the students. I can see Vedant Ja asking, are we going to make robots too? Yes, children, actually. First of all, you are going to learn about it. You are going to learn how to make the circuit, how to code it. Then obviously you are going to make the robots as well. Satvik is asking what we have to do in whole summer camp. Yes, in the summer camp, you would like to, you would like to learn about programming, robotics, how you can create your own 3D games. So I'm going to show you now about 3D game platform. Okay, I would like to ask the students, do you have any idea about 3D games? Any of you have ever tried? Yes, any of you? Yeah, please let me know. So I'll show you something very interesting over here. Any of you, have you ever tried? Like about 3D games, how we can create our own games. Okay, Rajvardhan is saying no, sir. No, no, no. All right. So I'm going to show you right now over here. Okay. Even we will create one game in front of you and you will be understanding how to do it. Okay. So I'm going to show you one platform that is basically Kodu Game Lab. Okay. So let me now present my screen. And this is going to be really amazing experience. So let me share my screen. I hope all of you can see my screen. Any of you can just let me know. Is my screen visible? Okay, Rajvardhan, thank you. It's visible, right? So you can see this is the platform for the 3D games. We call it Kodu Game Lab. Let me create a new world. New world is basically, you can say new platform. Like, I hope you all have played so many games, like 2D games and 3D games. Like you all watch cartoons. And even you could see Akshay sir was showing you one video, that robot was climbing the stairs and all. Over here also, you are going to do something like that. You are going to make your own games. You are going to design your own platform. Let me show you. Let's suppose I select this plan. So you can see this is the ground, right? Let's say I would like to enhance the ground. I would like to increase the space. So we can easily do it using this. You can see I can easily do this. Okay. Even you can make your own hills. Let's suppose you want to make the game more complicated. You can put the hills. You can put many things over here, right? You can make this level smooth and all. Let's try to keep it very simple right now. Okay, let me know how many of you would like to create your own racing games. Like you can make your car racing, bike racing game. Anyone? Okay, Harit is saying me. Yes, of course you can. Yes, Rajvardhan, I can see Arav. Wow, great. Yes, yes, yes. Children, please interact. Wow, all of you would like to do it. Let me show you how we can do. And even over here, I will show you that how we can code it. Gaming is all about logical thinking and code. So let me show you. Let's say I would like to take any object. You tell me which object you would like to take. Okay, let's suppose I will take this rover. I think you all know about rovers. You all are interested in space and all. Yes, racing track. Okay, great. So let's suppose this is one rover. Although we can take many other things also. Let's say you would like to take a cycle also. You can take that too. These are basically known as object tool, or we call them, characters also, right? Objects. Let's suppose now I would like that there will be race in between this rover and this cycle. So these are just objects. These are just characters. They don't know that they would like to do race. We have to teach them. We have to program them. Let me show you how programming we can do. This is so easy. We will click the program, and you can see there is one condition, when do. Basically, this is all about instructions. For example, like you all get instructions from your parents. Like, parents give you instructions. Okay, this is morning time. This is, you need to do breakfast now. This is sleeping time. Means when you need to do this, right? I think you all had, got it. What is basically instructions? So let's suppose I want to give instructions that using my arrow key. In the laptop we have keyboard, up arrow, down arrow, left, right. If I will press them, this rover will be moving. So I will click when, keyboard, and in the keyboard itself, I would like arrow key. You can see this is so simple. And what I would like to do, I would like to move it. Let's see how it will be moving. I will play it now. So can you see this rover is moving now? Yes, let me know. Can you see all of you? Okay, yes, very good. But now, I know you all would like to make this, fast. You all would like to increase the speed of it. Yes, again, we need to do code for it. So again, what we will do? We will do one more change in it. Let's suppose we would like to make it quickly, slowly, whatever. Let's say quickly. Even someone want to make it more quickly. Now you will see the speed of it. So you will see now it will be running very fast. Can you see? All of you. So in this Kodu Game Lab, you are going to design so many activities. Like you can, let's suppose you want to make a shooting game. Like there will be one castle, and you need to protect the castle. Let me show you like one more game. Let me show you one game. just give me 1 second. I would like to show you the games which I already created in it. Like you can make so many games in it, and all those are going to be very easy. Let me stop sharing. I will just find it and I'll show you. Yes, just 1 second. Yeah, let me share it. Yes, so you can see this can also be, you can also make this kind of game. Like, there is one castle and you would like to protect it. If I would like to play it, you can see, I will be just taking this bike. Let's suppose I would like to collect apples and we would like to check in 1 minute how many apples you can collect. That will be your score. You can set highest score, collected the maximum apple in 1 minute, right? So all the things you are going to learn in this summer camp. Now, I would like to hear your questions. I would like to interact with all of you. Yes, student, please let me know. Okay, what is the name of this game? Yes, Yuvraj. The name of the game will be totally up to you. This is a platform called Game Lab. Whatever the games you would like to design, whether it is a racing game, it is a, war, like any shooting game, that is going to be totally up to you. Who is the first person who has made robot? Okay, good question. Free racing game, racing track. Said we have to make robot. Yes, actually, over here you will be learning basics of it. You will be learning that how to design a robot. What is the functioning of robot? What are the components we are going to use? Okay, all the things you can use the practicals. You can do the same things practically. Can other people also play games? Yes. Yes, Arhant. Sure. Vedant, other people can also play a game. You can share with others. Would it be difficult? Not at all. I believe nothing is difficult. This is totally up to you. You can make everything easy. And I believe you all can. Yes, Akshay sir, would you like to share something to all the,
Yes.
lovely kids?
So students, yes, so you all will be learning about robotics and 3D game development. Okay. So in all these sessions, you will be learning right from the beginning that how you can learn to make your own robots, how you can learn. We will be telling you, we will be mentoring you, we will be teaching you that how you can make your own 3D games. Okay. So yes, it is not going to be difficult. It is going to be super fun, right? Okay. And we all yes, there are no going to be only theoretical classes. Okay, we won't be teaching you any theory. There will be only practical sessions. So in all these sessions, we will be making a new game, a new robot, a new activity. Okay, and yes, so we all will be helping you, okay, with how to access the platforms, how to download the software, everything we will be guiding you with. All right. So quickly now, everybody who wants to learn robotics and 3D game development, say yes in the comment section quickly. Yes, quickly, everyone. All the students. Very nice. Amazing. Okay, yes. So students, yes, very soon we will be starting with all these sessions. You will be getting all the information. Okay. And thank you everyone for joining this session. It was nice meeting all of you.
Thank you, Akshay and Nikesh. And thank you everybody for attending the session. You can watch this again. You can watch this recording session again on our Veledra YouTube channel and Facebook page as well. So see you soon and be safe. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.